No matter how slow the journey, perseverance leads to success. Life isn't a race, it's about steady, mindful progress. Change is inevitable, and adapting to new environments is key to survival. Life teaches us to be flexible and embrace transformation. Like the deer, be mindful of your surroundings, but live fully in the present. True peace comes from focusing on now. Solitude is not loneliness. It's in moments of solitude that we find strength, clarity, and perspective. Just like the eagle soaring through the sky, even the smallest creatures achieve great things through teamwork. Together we are stronger than we could ever be alone. Patience is power. Timing is everything. Like the lioness, success comes to those who wait for the right moment to act. Sometimes the purest joy comes from the simplest moments. Find joy in play and connection, just as dolphins do in the ocean. Trust your instincts. Like the wolf, your inner wisdom can lead you through life's challenges when you listen to it. Nature's wisdom is all around us. Learn from the animals and embrace the lessons they quietly teach. Resilience, patience, adaptability, and joy.